Currently at the KICHIJOJI station outside of Tokyo. This place is cray cray. So it's actually a really good place to shoot street photography because you have people coming from this way, that way, and that way. So you can just see all the different layers and different directions you can make photos. You can go up the escalator. Whoa, it's an interesting juxtaposition. Advertisements in the background. So weird. And of course you had to come to KICHIJOJI station if you want to go to the Studio Ghibli Museum. Nice arrows, good leading lines for street photography. And if you want to go Starbucks, the word for Starbucks is Staba. And I love it, the natural light up here. And yeah, just look all around, all these exciting people. Even a tip is, as people are coming towards you, you can just take photos as they're coming straight towards you. So I see a guy in a suit, it's pretty good. And just kind of do the cutoff, get in front.